Hey, so a little while ago I designed and 3D printed this nice headphone holder here that clips onto the side of my desk and holds my headphones. But it's got a bit of an issue in that it's not very easy to take off or put on. So there's this mechanism here that provides tension on it. There's actually two little springs just like that provide the tension there, and when you want to take it off the desk you pull down on this tab just here, but what ends up happening is this piece just bends instead of just pulling down properly, and it makes it hard to put on. Putting it on's alright, but taking it off is not as nice as it should be. So the other day a friend of mine asked me if I could make one of these for him, and I realised that I was out of these springs, these ones I stole from a different headphone holder, and also I don't like this design, so I thought I would try a new one. So I've got a new idea, so I will show it to you. So here are the two parts for my new design for the clamping mechanism. So it's a little knob here that you turn, it's got two little nibs on it, and it rides in this part. So the two nibs ride in a track there that as you turn it slope up and then lock in. So as you turn it, that rises up and locks in. So I printed out these two parts. So this is where the brim for the headphone holder would go, so the headphones would sit on here. The disc goes in between here, and this part can float up and down. Piece of rubber would go on here and here, so it's nice and grippy on the desk. And then this slides into there, like so, and you turn this and that rises, providing the tension. So I tried this on the desk and it does not provide anywhere near enough clamping force. It basically just falls straight off, and also this floating part here is held in by these little clips, and when I first put it in I broke all of the clips. You can see that one is broken, that one is basically falling off, so not a great design. So I've printed some more parts. So this is a new version of the part I just showed, but it has a steeper slope just in there, if it will focus. And so when it turns around, it raises up further, so more clamping. And I also printed a new one of these. I made these a looser fit in the holes so that they don't break. So this one just goes in nice and easily like that, and this can go in there, and we have the same action going on again, but this time with more movement. So this seems to work pretty well on the desk with a quick little test. So I'm going to glue in the little rubber pads. I've got a sheet of rubber, and then we'll see it on the desk, see if it works as well as I hope it will. So I've got the final product here. So it's got this nice brim on it to hold the headphones, and a nice little twisty mechanism. So we'll test it out, see how it works. It's easier to put on than the last one, and pretty easy to do up, and it doesn't want to come off, and it holds the headphones. And then to get it off, easy. So that works quite well. So these are the nice rubber pads that are in there. Might be a bit hard to see because they're black, but they provide all the grip onto the desk. So I think this design is a lot better than the old one with the springs. I'm quite happy with it, and I hope my friend who I'm going to give this to is happy with it too. Anyway, I hope you learnt something. Thanks for watching.